How to turn on or turn off auto framing video camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, launch the camera app. Then we tap on the video tab at the bottom. Here, tap on the control button and then we swipe across. Sorry, I press on the wrong button. So here we swipe across and then tap on this icon right here on the far right. So that is the auto framing, so you can turn it on or switch it off. And here say the zoom will automatically change to keep people in the frame. So if you move, the lens will try to move and follow you wherever you go, so that it will try to keep you in the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.